What does Ludwig Maximilian University Munich have to offer? What is the elite network of Bavaria? What opportunities open up after graduation? Hi, this is Ki and I'm Gera. In this video, we will continue getting to know the world-famous universities in Germany. Today, we will focus on the Ludwig Maximilian University Munich, which has the 32nd place in the world ranking according to the Times Higher Education. LMU has issued 14 Nobel laureates. Every fifth student is a foreigner. The 2019-20 academic year received just over 53,000 students. About 800 professors were involved in the educational and research programs of the university and its medical clinic. The university dates back to 1472 in the Bavarian town Ingolstadt. Since 1800, LMU has been located on the territory of the monastery of Landshut. In 1826, the university had more than 1,000 students and was moved to Munich by the decision of King Ludwig. There it remains until today. More than 600 universities around the world are partnered with LMU. Talented from 130 countries study or receive a degree at this university. LMU actively implements many student exchange programs, which allow young specialists to participate in large-scale research projects. What exactly does this university have to offer? Following the links given in the description, we will go through the tabs of the official university's page and discuss some of them. The site is designed in two languages, German and English. I suggest to look at the English version. From the main menu, we go to the study section. Every one of us is talented in their own way. For a better idea of what is close to the applicant and how to combine it with the chosen university, we will open the first subsection. Select the right program for you. In the first part of the English version, we learn that LMU offers 27 faculties to study in English for a master's degree and 7 faculties with double degree programs at several leading universities in Europe. In this case, you will receive at least 2 diplomas, one from LMU and another one from the partner university. For students who want to get a doctor's degree in English, more than 100 options are offered. By the way, every year about 1,300 degrees receive a doctorate from the LMU University. This university offers the opportunity to study in 6 faculties of the Association Elite Network of Bavaria, which was established by the government of Bavaria in 2004. Its goal is to find and support promising young people from all over the world, starting from school. Being a part of the Association Elite Network of Bavaria is very prestigious and means participating in numerous scientific programs funded by the government of Bavaria, as well as leading global companies. Support of the learning process, funding of scientific research, and much more is possible within the framework of the Association Elite Network of Bavaria. In the tab Additional Offers, we see 3 subsections: Additional Qualifications while Studying, Online Study Programs, and Programs for International Visiting Students. The first part contains information on a number of courses of many directions and complexity in the study of German language. Language courses for mastering more than 40 languages at the academic and professional levels, preparing to start a professional career within an organization, or starting your own business in English. In the second part, we see the so-called massive open online courses, podcasts, as well as online lectures of the university's faculties. In order to exercise this right, you must be a student of LMU. Let's go back to the main menu of the study section. In the second and third subsections, we are presented with the world-famous LMU's awards in the field of education and science. Certainly, we can count on support when choosing the direction of study. There are several subsections. The Central Student Advisory Office, which is a place for the incoming documents analysis and coordinating those who want to study at LMU. Explore a wide range of degree programs. Here, we see a page that is already familiar to us on choosing the direction of study. Top international visiting students. In this area, there are three sections. Munich International Summer University, study at LMU with Erasmus Plus and LMU Exchange, as well as the LMU Preparatory Program for Refugees. For each of these areas, a large amount of information is available on the LMU official site. Depending on your preferences, studying at the Ludwig Maximilian University Munich allows you to realize yourself both in the field of science, medicine, law, and in various sectors of the free economy. In the following videos, we will get to know the Technical University Munich. Thank you for your time. See you!